Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the bike fits training wheels, wheel size, axle type, and clear dropouts. Once done, collect tools, wrenches, a 1/2 socket, extra washers, and bolts, so you won't stop mid-task. You position the bike upright and mark the axle center points 1/2 from each dropout edge. This keeps wheels symmetrical. Make sure to note chain side versus non-drive side. Now loosen and remove the axle nuts, just enough to slide on mounting plates without stripping threads. You slip the mounting bracket onto the axle so the bracket hole aligns with the axle nut. This orientation controls tilt. Next, slide the training wheel assembly onto the bracket post with required washers to shift spacing and keep the wheel vertical. Once both sides are in place, hand tighten axle nuts and verify the training wheels sit level and provide even ground clearance. After confirming alignment, use the wrench to tighten to a snug torque. Avoid over-tightening, which can warp the axle or strip. You finish by setting the training wheel height. Aim for about 1/2 to 3/4 clearance so the child still leans and learns balance. Once set, tighten all fasteners fully and perform a safety ride. Sit the rider on the seat while gently rolling the bike to verify stability. After 10 minutes of riding, recheck nuts and alignment because settling can loosen parts. If you spot wobble, stop, realign the wheel, ensure washers are present. Then retorque the nuts to secure the assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.